the state of art. So in the state of art nowadays, AI is used as autonomous planning and scheduling. So it is, for example, the NASA Remote Agent Program. So it is the autonomous planning and scheduling system developed with AI. So it is used on board it is on-board autonomous planning program to control the scheduling of spacecrafts. Okay, so usually it will receive the actions from the from the ground station whenever. So what it has to do? Plan the it has to plan for those actions when the plan actions are running on the spacecraft. It has to monitor the spacecraft for for any faults. If it has to detecting the faults, diagnosing and recovering from the problems as they occur. Okay, whenever some scheduling operation is going on, some problems may occur. No, so what is this autonomous planning system should do? It should detect those, diagnose and recover from the problems as they occur. Okay, and AI is also used in playing. So we have discussed that IBM's Deep Blue is the first computer program to defeat the world champion that time, Kasparov. Okay, and with this, IBM shares have increased by $18 billion, and it is also AI is also used in autonomous control. For example, you see this Alvin is a computer vision system. It is trained to steer a car. Okay. So this computer vision system is placed in the Navlog computer control mini van. In this van, this system is placed for steering this van. Okay. So then it is able to steer about the 2,500 miles, and in this duration 98% of the minivan is steered 98% of this distance is steered by this Alvin computer vision system. Only 2% of this distance is steered by the human. Only at the exit ramps it was done. And NavLab, what it has to do here, the NavLab has a video camera, so it will capture the information about the road, and it gives to Alvin. So Alvin is to synthesize, and it is to find the best direction to steer the vehicle. Okay. So like that, it is used to work. And AI is also used in diagnosis. In medical diagnosis, which is based on probabilistic analysis, AI is used, and AI is giving the solutions similar to human expert. And AI is also used in logistic planning. For example, if you see in the during Persian Gulf crisis of 1991, US forces deployed a dynamic analysis and replanning tool. So it is called DART, Dynamic Analysis Replanning Tool. Okay, it is for automatic logistic planning and scheduling for transportation. It is mainly for automatic planning and logistic planning and scheduling for transportation. So this DART is involved to transport about 50,000 vehicles, cargoes, people at a time. Okay, and it is also used for starting point. Has to account for starting point, destination, and routes and conflicts of resolution among all parameters. It has to consider when it is planning. Okay, when this uh, when AI is planning, AI planning techniques allow a plan to generate in hours, whereas if it is has to be done with the other means, it would have taken weeks to plan. Okay. So this Defense Advanced Research Project Agency, this is DARPA. DAPRA is the agency. This is funded for this project, and after funding, since this project is successful, it has got the money from the that project. Whatever investment it has done, no, for 30 years, whatever investment it has done in AI, all that money came back due to that project. And AI is also used in robotics. In robotics, usually if you see in robotics are used in most of the microsurgeries. So, for example, HipNav is a system that uses the computer vision techniques for hip replacement. Okay, so nowadays robotics also used. This computer vision techniques also used in knee surgery also. And AI is also used in language understanding and problem solving. For example, if you see this Proverb is a computer program that solve the crossword puzzles better than most of the human, because it is having word filters, large database of past puzzles, and variety of information sources, including dictionary, online database. Okay, so because of that, Proverb is a computer program that could able to solve the crossword puzzles better than most of the human. So these are the state of art of AI.